Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Chipotle Aioli. Now this is a rich and creamy and spicy sauce that can go on tacos. You can use it to dip fried foods like shrimp, fries. You can put this on sandwiches. It's a fantastic spread. It's really going to elevate your dish. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we're going to need 3 to 6 chipotle peppers that are in adobo sauce. We're also going to need 2 teaspoons of lime juice, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of cilantro. That's up to you, it's optional. We're also going to need 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. First, we're going to take our peppers, we're going to throw them into our blender, and we're going to blend these for about 30 seconds. Now that's the consistency we're looking for. It's very paste-like. We're going to scoop this out, put it back into our bowl. We're going to set this aside. Now we're going to go in with our mayonnaise into our blender. We're not going to clean this at all. Mayonnaise, our lime juice, and our cilantro, a little bit of salt and pepper. Now we're going to blend this until it's thoroughly combined, and then we're going to slowly start to add in the paste till we get to the taste that we're looking for, because this stuff is going to be pretty spicy. And that's when it's combined. We're going to add just a little bit at a time. Like I said, we're just going to blend this a little bit more, taste it, see if that's where we like it, and I'm going to keep doing that until I get to the taste that I prefer. And that's what we're looking for right there. I ended up using 2.5 tablespoons of the pureed chipotle peppers. It's just the right amount of heat for me. If you want it spicier, you can obviously add more. We're going to store this in an airtight container, and it's going to last in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. So I'm going to transfer that in here, and then we'll get a taste. Now this comes together in less than 5 minutes. It's a great dipping sauce or a spread for on top of a sandwich. Let's get a taste of this. It's rich, it's creamy. Get a little hint of the cilantro in there, not much. You get a nice heat on the back of your tongue. This is an amazing Chipotle recipe that can be used, Chipotle Aioli recipe that can be used on just about anything. Hope you enjoyed this video, so please hit that thumbs up button if you're new to the channel. Please subscribe if you're interested in the outdoors. I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.